You're ready to take your business to the next level. Maybe even ditch that clunky old appointment book. You've heard whispers of Vagaro, this magical salon and spa software that promises to streamline everything from scheduling and marketing to client communication. But here's the burning question. Does Vagaro cost money? Let's dive in. Running a salon or spa is no walk in the park. You're juggling appointments, managing inventory, chasing payments, and somehow trying to keep your clients happy. That's where salon and spa software like Vagaro comes in. It promises to automate those tedious tasks, freeing you up to focus on what you love, pampering your clients. But before you jump on board, you need to know, how much is this magic going to cost you? The short answer, yes, Vagaro does cost money. It's a subscription-based service, meaning you'll pay a recurring monthly or annual fee. The long answer, now let's break down the costs. Vagaro offers a tiered pricing structure. This means there are different plans available, each with its own set of features and price points. The basic plan usually includes core features: online booking, client management, appointment scheduling, and basic reporting. Higher tier plans unlock more advanced features. Things like marketing tools, integrated payments, commission tracking, and more robust reporting. Let's talk pricing, and keep in mind these are general examples. Always check Vagaro's official website for the most up-to-date pricing. The basic plan might start around $30 to $50 per month. Mid-tier plans could range from $60 to $100 per month. Premium plans can go upwards of $150 per month. Factors that influence price: the number of service providers. If you have multiple stylists, massage therapists, or other service providers, your pricing will likely increase. The number of locations. If you have multiple salon or spa locations, you'll need a plan that can accommodate them. Add-on features. Some features might be available as add-ons at an extra cost, such as advanced marketing tools or integrations with third-party apps. Hidden costs. Transaction fees. If you process payments through Vagaro, they may charge transaction fees on each payment. Text messaging fees. Some plans may have limits on the number of text messages you can send. Exceeding those limits may incur additional costs. Training and support. While Vagaro offers resources, you might need to invest time in training your staff or seek additional support, which could have a cost. Is Vagaro worth the investment? Now, the million-dollar question. Is Vagaro worth the cost? Here are some things to consider. Increased efficiency. By automating tasks, Vagaro can save you time and increase your productivity. Improved client experience. Online booking, automated reminders, and personalized communication can enhance the client experience. Increased revenue. Features like marketing tools and automated payment processing can help you increase revenue. Reduced no-shows. Automated reminders and online booking can significantly reduce no-shows, saving you time and money. Better data-driven decisions. Detailed reporting can provide valuable insights into your business performance, helping you make informed decisions. Tips for choosing the right plan. Start with a free trial. Most salon and spa software providers, including Vagaro, offer free trials. Take advantage of this to test the platform and see if it's a good fit for your business. Analyze your needs. Carefully consider the features you need and the size of your business. Don't pay for features you won't use. Compare prices. Compare Vagaro's pricing to other salon and spa software options on the market. Read reviews. See what other salon and spa owners have to say about their experience with Vagaro. Alternatives to consider. MindBody. Another popular option with a wide range of features and pricing plans. Schedulicity. A user-friendly option with competitive pricing. SalonBiz. A robust option with advanced features for larger businesses. Vagaro can be a valuable investment for many salons and spas. However, it's crucial to carefully evaluate your needs and budget before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.